you ever wondered how your favorite apps and websites just seem to know exactly what you need? It is not magic, it is UX research. Think about the last time you used an app or a website and you were like, wow, this seems so easy to use. That is the result of great UX research. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Oluwaseunfumi and I'm glad to have you here once again on my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about UX research and why does it matter. In this video we're going to cover what is UX research, the methods used in UX research, why it is essential for great design, and why does it really matter. Okay, what is UX research? So UX research is the process of collecting insights about the users. It is all about the users, creating platform for the users, and you're understanding the user's pain points, the user's needs, the user's behavior, for you to create intuitive and engaging platform for the users. And this platform will seem easy to use to the users because of great user research. Research is all about understanding your users, understanding their needs, understanding their goals, understanding their challenges. So when you understand your users, you can design platforms, or you can design products, or you can design great experiences that resonates well with your users and that truly works well for your users. It is simply the difference between getting what the user wants and knowing what they really need. That is just user research. There are two types of user research. We have quantitative research, focuses on the number and data. It always answer questions like how many, what percentage, although there are so many quantitative research, but I'm just going to list three. So examples of quantitative research, we have surveys and questionnaires used with collecting feedback from a large number of audience or a large number of users. Then the second one is analytics and metrics. It helps designers identify where users spend most of their time on. So the third one is A/B testing. So you're comparing different versions of your designs to know which one performs better. This type of research is the qualitative research. It focuses on understanding the way users behave, the way they do. It digs deeper into understanding the user's emotion, the user's challenges, the user's motivation. Examples of qualitative user experience, you have the user interview. So this is just one-on-one conversation with your user where you gather detailed insights about their needs, about their perspective, about their goals, about their challenges, about their frustration in this user interview. The second one is field studies. Here you observe the user in their natural environment. You watch them, how they behave and how they use that platform. So you're just like watching a user on how they interact with an e-commerce platform. Then the third one is diary studies. Here user documents their experience over time, how they are using the product. They document everything from the beginning to the end. The next one we're going to talk about is why UX research matters. So user research helps you a lot as a designer. The first thing as to why user research matters is that it helps you understand your user. So user research helps you understand your users instead of just designing based on assumptions. Meeting with your users, understanding their needs, understanding their pain points will help you design better interfaces and better experiences for your users. The next one is building better product. When you know your audience, you build what works for them. Okay, the third one is UX research helps you save time and money. Investing in designs upfront helps you prevent costly mistakes. Now imagine launching a product upfront and you didn't make any research prior before you launch that product, and all of a sudden the product goes south. Nobody can figure out how to use that particular product. Now you have to come back, redesign that platform, start all over again from the beginning. Now imagine how stressful it's going to be, and it's also going to cost money and it's going to be stressful. The next one is staying competitive. In today's world, you can see that there's so many options. If a user doesn't use this product, don't forget that there's always an option that a user can use. It can be in the fintech industry, it can be in the e-commerce industry. There are varieties of options that users can pick from to work with or to use to perform a task. If your design isn't intuitive, they will move on and use a platform that performs better. UX research ensures you stay ahead of the curve. Okay, how do you start your UX research? So if you're looking forward to starting your UX research, first of all, you begin by talking to your users. You know who your users are, their pain points, their frustration. You talk to them, you have one-on-one interview with them. Who are your target audience? You need to know them first for you to have these interviews with them, and you'll be amazed how much you learn in this process. Then the next one is throwing out surveys and questionnaires. We can use tools like Google Forms, spreadsheets to do that. Then the third one is you incorporate your data findings from this research you have made earlier on into your design decisions, your iteration, your prototyping, even your design process in the post-launch testing. User research makes a product far more intuitive and better. It helps your users engage your platform, thereby the retention rate will be high on your product, your website or your mobile app. So if you want a better product that serves your user better, try to incorporate user research in your design process. It's going to help you a lot. So thank you guys for watching this video to this point. I hope you're able to pick 1 or 2 things from this video. And if you know you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, and share this video. Thank you guys. So do not forget to turn on your notification bell to get more videos about UI UX design, tips on UI UX design, and also design tutorials. Bye. I'll see you guys in my next video.